Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we got to talk about new credit. That's right, you guys know all the old guards. Well, we're going to bring out some new guards as well. The Fintechs are here. And welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it! Alright, welcome back, and thank you for being here once again at the YouTube channel for Stop Struggling Now. Welcome once again. Now, please share the videos, and I'll say it again, please like the videos so the YouTube algorithm will say people are watching. And once again, I always point out the join button over here on the right hand side, because members who have joined receive special messages under the community tab all the time, and then they receive 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for them. So I want to thank people with the icons next to their name for being members of the channel. Now, let's get down to the credit situation. Let's start off with, I'm going to go through this real briefly because there are a lot of credit cards for bad credit, lots of credit cards with people with no credit scores, lots of credit cards with people with good credit or great credit. We're going to talk about some other ways that you can potentially get credit, because there's all these fintech companies that have come out, and there's just more and more of them. So I'm going to start with old standby. If you want to improve your credit score, you guys know what to do. Please search the channel for credit repair and to boost up your credit score, but I'm going to give it to you in a nutshell. Bottom line is, you have buckets right now with the credit bureaus. I'm referring to credit bureaus because we don't need credit bureaus anymore. That is the thing. We have credit bureaus. So if you want to obtain things like a Discover It card or an unsecured card, Discover It secured card is one thing. It graduates after 6 months of paying on time. They'll graduate you and review your history of on-time payments the 7th month, and then usually in the 8th month they'll give you a credit increase and return your deposit. So that's Discover It. I do not have a link for the Discover It secured card any longer. They no longer do a refer a friend. But if you have good credit and want a Discover card, then I do have a link down below for the refer a friend. All right, and you get like $50 off of a statement after you've been a member or a person that has a Discover card. Now, again, there'll be a link down below for that. Now, let's go into this credit bureau stuff. You guys know how the buckets work. 35% of your credit score is on-time payments. All right. So that is significant. 30% of your credit score is debt utilization. You want your debt utilization to be under 29%. You definitely want it to be even better than that, under 9%. That gets your credit score even higher. Then the next bucket is 15%, which is on-time payment history. So these things here you have to keep in mind are the most important pieces to the equation. You can always add new credit, which is 10%. You can always have a mix of credit, because that's the self-lender and the credit strong that gives you the installment trade lines. So that's installment trade lines. Credit cards are revolving trade lines. Car notes are installment trade lines. Anything that has a fixed payment every month is an installment trade line generally. All right. So that's like car notes, home mortgages, things like that. So, and with credit strong and self-lender, they're installment trade lines, just like homes and mortgages. So that doesn't help you with your debt utilization. So that's why everybody tries to do credit cards, because that helps you with your debt utilization. So let's get into some new Varo banking. Right here, bank for all of us. That's fine. Get started. Nothing holding you back. Once again, no credit check, no minimum balance, no monthly fees, no overdraft. You can pull money out at fee free at Target, CVS, Safeway, all point ATMs. They're all over the place. No overdraft fees. Here's the one thing that they also do. They also give you like a little overdraft up to like $100. So again, this helps you out, but you will have to get an account, meaning a bank account, which is fine, but you need to actually have deposits going into your account, and it unlocks some additional benefits. So I'm scrolling through here so you can see what they're talking about. This is the Varo Advance I'm referring to that gives you instant cash up to $100. So if you go over your account by $20, you know what a bank does. 20, 30, 40, whatever, $50 fees for an overdraft. And in this case, if you went over up to $100, you don't have a fee. They just call it a Varo Advance. So that is kind of nice. This is what the fintechs are doing, understanding what the banks are doing and then trying to make things a little bit better. All right. So that's your first part about this. And I'm going to go into, let me see, here we go. Varo Advance. That's the one I was referring to, where they give you the extra $100 cash advance, no tips. Again, there'll be a link down below for all of these. VaroMoney.com, link down below. And now we'll go to what they have, the credit portion. Varo Believe, it's coming soon. Start building credit, no APR, avoid debt, no monthly fees. Are you getting it? So again, the fintechs are trying to come in, and so they can report to the credit bureaus. That will help you out. Varo will report payment history to 3 major credit reports. Get on the waiting list now. You might as well. It's not going to hurt you. And you can see here, no monthly account fees, avoid debt, apply, does not impact credit score, so no hard inquiries, and no APR. Pretty simple, right? But here again, you need to have a Varo bank account. You need to set up direct deposits. And to activate all this, you're going to need to have direct deposit of $1,000 or more within like a 30 to 60 day period. You'll have to review what their qualifications are. They're usually at the bottom of the page. And then, of course, use your new credit card for purchases. Monitor your credit score. They'll do all that. Here we go. A minimum of 2 direct deposits totaling $1,000 or more in the past 90 days. So I was wrong about the 30. So 90 days you'll have it. So literally $300 a month, $350 a month in direct deposits is all you need. And you need a minimum of 2 direct deposits. So there you go. That's pretty simple, and you're in. All right. Again, you're building a relationship. This seems to be the theme of things. This is how banking should always have been, because it's just like if I know you as a person borrows money and doesn't pay it back, it doesn't matter what your credit score is. As far as I'm concerned, I know 5 people that you borrowed money from and don't pay back. So therefore, I'm not going to loan money to you, regardless if you have an 800 credit score. You follow what I'm saying? So you're building up a banking relationship, and now this is what Varo is. They help you out. Next up, Go2 Bank, and they have the build your credit. No credit check to apply, no annual fee. They're already here. Okay, so is Varo Money. The Varo Money credit portion, they're still doing a wait list. So either way, get involved and sign up. So again, credit limits for Go2 Bank start as low as $100. No credit check or impact to your credit. Check your progress, start building credit, reports to all 3 credit bureaus. This is open now. Now, again, this requirement about direct deposits, once again, going into this account. Receive direct deposits totaling at least $100 in the past 30 days. Easily apply for the Go2 Bank secured credit card within the app. So this is more of the secured variety. But once again, if you have bad credit or challenged credit of any sort, then this can help you get another payment, on-time payment history. This can also help with your debt utilization. This could also help with your on-time payments and a new mix of credit and new credit with your 10% of the credit scores as well. That helps out. So once again, go for the no hard inquiry credit this year. Here goes another option. Again, self-lender, credit strong, or also no hard inquiries. All right, keep that in mind. So I'm not going to go too much into this, but again, there'll be a link down below for the Go2 Bank. Got it? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, you guys know all the rest, almost all the rest, because I have a couple of more. The Tomo credit card. I'm not on the page, but you guys already know about the Tomo credit card. It's down below. And once again, they use your bank account history, no credit check, no nothing. They will send you a link, and then you have to link into your checking or bank's accounts or banking accounts, and then they issue you a credit line, allegedly. Again, not everybody gets approved, and therefore it's a large percentage of the population that gets approved, but not everybody gets approved. But they go by your your bank account information. So we'll keep going. X1 credit card, metal card, join the wait list. You guys have heard me talk about this one before. Again, they're talking about rewards, Visa. It's not out yet. The wait list has been over 8 months. But again, might as well sign up on the wait list. I have a link down below. So please use my link down below and then start inviting your friends so they have a refer a friend thing so you can move up on the wait list. Things like that. So might as well do that. Next up, seemingly familiar, is Benjamin Finance. They also have the metal card, also have a wait list. So again, down below in the description, I'll have a link so you guys can join the wait list. And again, it seems like almost a carbon copy of X1, but nonetheless, they're doing it the same way. These fintechs, once one comes out, they start copying. So join the wait list, and again, you can read more about it, but again, just a wait list. Now, next up, Credit AI. Used to be a wait list, and it looks like I don't have it up here. So let me go see if I can pull it up. But Credit AI is the same way. Let me see. I think it's credit.ai. Yeah, I think it may be credit.ai. Nope, that's not it either. All right, well, I don't know where it is, but you guys know I've talked about this before, and for some reason I can never pull it up, but here it is. It's an app, so you have to go to your Apple store and pull up the Credit AI. They're talking the same thing, a metal card. It's actually out. Okay, it used to be a wait list for Credit AI, and you can only use it. I don't think it's on Android yet. It doesn't appear, and I don't have it myself. So it's a app store for the the Apple customers. Once again, they're also operating on the notice to 55,000 free ATMs, so they're operating on the same network as a few other fintechs like Varo. So, and last one but not least, Fortiva credit card for people with challenged credit. I'll leave a link down below. It's unsecured. They also kind of do things like Avant, avant.com, which was in the last video that I did about credit, where they actually do a soft inquiry to see if you're accepted first, and then if you do accept it, then they'll do the hard inquiry. But then again, you'll get a hard inquiry, which we're not really trying to get. So I would go with the other options first before you get down here to Fortiva, if you're worried about your hard inquiry numbers. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully that was short and sweet, but another credit video, because I know you guys like credit, but I'm not going over it extensively because there's nothing to go over anymore. They're just making this nice and sweet. You sign up, you deposit money or open up a bank account with these fintechs, and then they go from there. Or you can do like the Fortiva that says, okay, we kind of don't care about your credit. We'll do a soft inquiry and find out if we have a product for you, just like Avant. And in case I haven't went to Avant, so I'll just tell you again, A, V as in Victor, A, N as in Nancy, T as in Tom.com. If you want to go check out Avant, I'll have a link down below for it as well. And so there's nothing more to talk about with this right now today. But with credit, of course, there's always something to talk about. If you need help with credit repair, Google the channel. Search the Stop Struggling Now channel for credit repair. You can do it yourself without any fees. All right? So don't worry about it. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. That's why we always have to stay vigilant. There's new products coming out because let's face facts. Everything isn't easy out here. Even the biggest and the best companies have a downturn. And then due to competition, other products come out, and now you have the fintechs making life hell for the banks and the credit industry, and I'm loving it. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.